To the lecture series. So in this lecture series, we are discussing about the SCILAB commands and the kind of basic operations performed in it. So continuing with that, we are going to discuss the relational and logical operations performed in SCILAB. So why this relational and operational logical operations needed is essential decision making, which is crucial for controlling the program flow and performing the condition checks. And next thing is complex logic. So sometimes it feels difficult, and for the comparison and for the multiple conditions, it is difficult to decide the conditions. And foundation of algorithms. So under every control structures, we need this logical and relational structure to be implemented. Relation operators comparing the values. So relation is nothing but comparing the difference or comparing the similarities within the two. So it is used for array comparison and for the while conditions like while and if conditions to just show the flow of the program. So relation operators is nothing but comparison. So how to perform this relation operations in SCILAB is, first of all, we need an element wise comparison. So we have few elements with the same size and with the same order that will be compared with each other. Next, it can be used for scalar versus matrix. Yes, compares between the scalar with each element of a matrix, returning the matrix of booleans. We can perform in matrix operations for comparing two matrix. And coming to this relational operators, the following operations can be used here. You can see double equal to for equal function, that is a equal to b means it is equivalent, and lesser than or equal greater than function, approximate function, not equal to function, and less than stands for a is less than b, conditions false, and greater than symbol, lesser than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These symbols we have seen in the if condition, while condition, in that statement itself, right? So for that purpose also we need these relational operators. So basic examples we can discuss. So we have two variables a and b, and these two variables have different values. So I'm just comparing display of a greater than b. So here what happens, the a is compared with b, and it compares the relation whether a is greater than b. So a value is 5, b value is 3. It compares 5 is greater than 3. Yes, the condition is true. Then it will be displayed as true. Next condition is display a equivalent to b. Here a is 5, b is 3. It is not equivalent. So condition is false. I think it is very clarified. Next one, we are going for matrix comparison. I am taking the two matrix A, B. Now I am displaying A equivalent to B. So just compare the first row, first column value as first row, first column value of each matrix. Both have the different values. So automatically it gives the condition as false in the first row, first column. And in the second value 2, 2. So it is true condition. Third value 3, 1 not equal, so false condition. Scalar with the matrix. So I am going to compare with the value and the matrix. So I am getting the matrix of A and displaying A is greater than 2. If A is greater than 2, that condition to be true. So first number is lesser than 2. Second number is equivalent to, only third number is greater than 2. So automatically the output will be false, false, true. So coming to the logical operations. So relative operations we are clear. Yes, we have to understand the symbol meanings and its conditions. Next one is logical operations, nothing but we can perform and, or, logical not, short circuit and, short circuit or. So these are the basically we will be using and, or, not. So we have element wise operators, that is and, or, not, and short circuit we have double and double or. So we can discuss this problem also. So we logical not, which is given as approximate symbol, and for the boolean value also we can use this true or false operations. And for logical operations we have taken two programs. First one is for and. So a is 10, b is 20. We have assigned two variables with values, and c is 15. Now result and. What is and condition? I am taking two conditions. A should be greater than C. Second condition, B should be greater than A. So if two conditions are satisfied, then it should be true. That stands for my AND symbol. AND is first condition and second condition to be satisfied. Whether we can check A is greater than C, yes. B is greater than A, yes. So condition is true. Second one, false condition. A is greater than B and B is greater than C. Taking for the result false condition, so we have displayed here as result false. So automatically the condition gets false. Next, for OR operation, X, Y, Z, we have taken the result OR condition. So OR means we have to implement the OR. Check for the condition X is lesser than Y, OR. So first condition is out. We cannot say it is satisfied. Second condition, Y is lesser than Z. Yes, it is satisfied. So either condition has to be satisfied. Then it is said to be true. Next to true condition, if X is greater than Y, yes, first condition is true. Y is greater than Z. But here you can see Y is not greater than Z. But the condition is OR condition. So either or the condition is true, the output will be true. So these are the basic logical operations and relation operations. In next lecture series, we can discuss with some case studies. Thank you.